So guys, ngayon yung topic natin, Twitter trending topics on the UFL.
May Twitter ka? Nako.
Oh, wala.
Nate has company Twitter.
Yes. So,
Yes, Twitter.
so ano yan? Ano
Dapat
yan? Neutral tayo dyan.
Daya.
So,
Sa Facebook ako minsan may mga...
Si Bruce may
ako may Twitter, si
Ayan.
Alan may Twitter, si Balot.
Si Balot
tayo may Twitter.
Ako wala akong Twitter, pero nabalitaan ko yung tweet ni Balot.
Ito hindi.
Stallion Captain.
Stallion Captain.
Ano yung reaction mo after nung game niya nung Saturday?
Ay, tweet mo nun.
Oo nga.
Ano ulit yung tweet mo?
Sa lahat ng nagsabing bad comments sa amin, thank you na lang sa kanila.
Thank you na lang dun sa
And
negative.
God bless.
May mga negative comments against Stallions and some of it bordering on the personal.
Saan ba nanggaling yun? Gusto ko malaman eh. Paano ka nag-react? Ano ba yung react? Saan ka
Hindi
nag-react?
kasi, syempre, pag nabasa mo yung mga sabi doon, minsan, na naisip mo na rin na, ay, masama na to. Parang,
Yung personal na ba sila?
Iba na yung, iba na yung pagsabi sa amin. Kaya, ganun na lang. Kung saan sila masaya, bahala na sila kung anong gusto nila, di ba?
True.
Okay. Kasi Twitter is a very public venue. So, every time after a game, especially ngayon, yung mga games sobrang mainit. Maraming cards.
Bukod sa,
maraming
ano lang hindi weather
Hindi
init to
weather,
ah.
temperature.
As in,
Mainit ang
temper,
pagdaan.
hindi temperature.
Tempers
init
talaga
to, ah.
flaring up. So, players, coaches, managers, and fans, they're all taking it out on Twitter. So, yung mga comparisons to the UFC. Lumalabas, energy na daw. Oo. So, what do you guys think about all the reactions that you've been seeing?
I mean, in a way kasi, with this, this is a sign rin na, you know, at least people are really watching the UFA.
They start to care about the
Yes.
sport.
That's one thing. Siyempre, may borderline. Lahat naman yan. Whether you're doing a certain business o kaya may, yan, kahit sa showbiz na lang eh, di ba? Minsan, nakakabastos na talaga. Pero at least, alam mo, na may nanonood sa'yo. That's one. Sabi lang nga nila, di ba? There's no such thing as good or bad publicity.
Any publicity
It's
Any
good.
publicity is good publicity.
Yeah, coming from someone, ano yan, di ba?
Basta napag-uusapan daw, I mean, yun nga, di ba? At least, alam natin na, sabi nga,
Gumagana.
oo, and you know, people can love you or hate you, kesa naman deadmahin ka nila, di ba?
But the one thing siguro, ako, mag-react na lang ako dun sa nangyayari with Twitter. It is a very powerful tool in terms of, you know, network and also airing your views or sharing your sentiments. It's really hard to use them against other people. Siyempre may borderlines yan. You can, siguro pwede mo sabihin na may konti kang critic, nakikriticize ka, kunyari, konti dyan, tapos o kaya may comment ka dyan sa ganito. Pero to actually put it on a very personal level, ibang usapan na to. Magkaharapan na kayo. Diba sa ganun sabihin mo sa harapan kaysa idadaan pa sa ganun, no? Parang nakaka-bastos in a way. Lalo na sa sport naman na, you know, everything that happened in the game, dun lang. Hindi naman tipong pag after the game, nagsuntukan kayo sa labas eh.
Kasi pag every game, yung pride yung nilalaban dun eh.
Oo. Hindi ka naman naglalaro para matalo eh.
Oo.
Makipagpalitan ka, di ba?
Siyempre normal sa game.
Kung iba yung tingin nila, I mean ako coming from experience lang rin na, kung iba yung tingin nila na hindi hard yung ginawa mo o bastos yung ginawa mo. You know, at the end of the day, if you weren't going after, I mean, hindi ka naman siguro papatay ng tao sa loob ng feed, diba?
We've been seeing tweets of, let's say, the upper management of different teams complaining about, usually it's the
Officiating.
the referees, the officiating.
Pag no comment ako dyan, sige.
Hindi, wala. Sige.
Sige, go! Oo.
Hindi.
Reaction.
Okay. Sige, reaction na lang.
As a concerned fan of the league.
Sige, ayan. I would think, syempre sabihin naman nung anyone who tweets na, yeah, it's within my right to free speech and expression, di ba? Pero I feel these are things na siguro best taken up in the proper venues, in the proper, you know, places. So for example, if there's a concern with, for example, officiating, maybe best take it up with the league management, di ba? So it will be a management to management discussion. I know it's lately it's been quite a big issue. Ang dami na nag-raise no.
It's starting off some of the fans.
Yeah, some of the
I've
fans,
seen
some of the players.
tweets na like wake me up when it's a more professional league.
Kasi ngayon medyo physical masyado yung laro, and then may mga tawag na nakakalampas sa refs. Yung mga ganon, I feel
Like, coming from that kasi, yun nga, proper venue. Kasi sa akin, public ang Twitter.
Oh, yes, yes.
So, syempre, pag naglabas ka dyan na nasa management ka,
Oo.
ito, no biases,
Official,
ito lang,
tuloy
yung ako lang, personal view, pag sinabi mo through Twitter na public siya, sabi mo may problema yung liga, sinisiraan mo na yung sarili mong credibility as a person inside the management of the league. Kumbaga, on your own, sinira mo na yung liga. Imbes na, di ba, we try to shy away from the negativity of it all because yun nga, officiating, o yan yung mga concerns o kaya may mga bias na kung saan dyan, di ba, may mga, pati nga yung mga cheering squad dyan, nag-heke sa isa't isa, dati nga nasasama. I mean, sige yun
Dapat
nasama.
nag-WhatsApp group na lang sila.
Pwede, wow.
sila.
Okay, i-DM mo na lang.
DM
DM na lang. Direct message mo na lang.
Kasi, this is an appeal to Twitter. Please, Twitter, the company, please come up with group DM. Because I think
Group DM, oo.
that's
Gaya mo,
out.
gaya mo yung WhatsApp, gaya mo si BBM, yan yung mga
May group
may
chat.
group,
So
yung group
that-
chat.
So that the people who can actually enact the changes that we want to see in the league can talk about it in their own forum.
Or, best, wag na nila pag-usapan sa Twitter, di ba? I mean,
Usapan talaga nila. Ayusin mo na.
kita-kita, I don't know.
Or use it to listen.
Oo.
And then announce when
Oo.
things are yun.
Hindi, pero ito talaga, curious kasi talaga. Ano ba yung react? Saan ka ba nag-react talaga na tweet na yun? May specific tweet ba? Yung gusto talaga malaman eh.
Ala. Meron lang,
Mga tao. Mga tao, isang tao.
ewan ko kung marami sila. Pero merong tao na nagsabi ng
Lumalabas na daw.
bad comments doon sa stadium na parang lumabas daw.
Sabihin mo na nga, hindi ko malaman.
Hindi, mamaya, mga paaway tayo.
Tayo ba pa we're just being Jerry, para tayong Montulfo lang dito.
Ayun na nga, napaaway nga.
Baka ma-remark niya lang.
Yun.
Then doon pa sa yung sa tweet din ng kasama namin. Parang nag-conversation silang dalawa.
Wow.
May mga nagsasagutan. Okay.
Pag isang mabutan to.
Meron.
So,
Chika to, chika.
to keep up with
Oo.
all the football news, the UFL First and Second Divisions, follow us at FTW Sports.